Turn on the power switch. Before layering the motherboard, let's first check the actual temperature error of the heating table. Convenient for us to adjust the appropriate temperature up and down. The actual temperature of the heating element is influenced by environmental factors. There may be some error between the measured temperature and the actual temperature. We are now using a thermometer to perform a real-time temperature control detection on the heating table. Look at the difference in error. Okay, let's conduct a test first. The temperature in the middle is now measured to be around 185 degrees Celsius. Test the temperature again at another point. The current equipment temperature is 180 degrees Celsius. The thermometer now shows around 180 degrees, which is very stable. We take data from 3 test points for comprehensive comparison. Test the temperature at the extreme edge again. The current output temperature of the device is 178 degrees. Pass the temperature test at 3 points. We found that the error temperature was plus or minus 225 degrees. The error is very small. The measured performance of this heating table is very good. Thanks for watching.